she is.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, next time when you sing with me.
I think I may have forgotten a couple letters there.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Hey, Aunt, why don't you tell Nana about that dream you had last night?
What was it a dream of?
It was about me and Claire. It was a really scary dream. It was about me and Claire going to the coffee shop next to our house.
Yeah.
And some guys came and they saw me and they tried to catch me.
No way. That wouldn't happen. What did you do when you woke up? Did you cry?
What about that other dream you had about me when it was my birthday?
You dreamt about your mother?
I forgot about that one. Can you tell me about it?
It had a birthday cake in it. Remember I was going to blow out the candles? Don't remember it?
And then I had to light it, I think.
Jonah, don't throw that apple into the toilet.
Oh dear.
Come on, buddy. This room is not a Jonah room.
So now I'm going to go back to my class.